Happy New Year, you guys! My name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review, and right now I'm not going to be reviewing Passengers. Sci-fi dramas are awesome, especially ones with my favorite people in it, and made by an Academy Award nominated director who made The Imitation Game. This is his name. I can't pronounce it, sorry. Chris Pratt and Jennifer Lawrence have been promoting this film incessantly and for good reason. 110 millions में बनी है फिल्म जाकर, तो जितने वायरल वीडियोस निकाल सकते हो निकाल लो. YouTube से थोड़ी रिकवरी हो जाए है. Many promises, but does the film deliver? Yes and maybe so. Starship Avalon has 5,000 passengers and hundreds of crew in a cryogenic sleep for 120 years until they reach the new planet Homestead 2. क्योंकि एक से मेरा क्या होगा? 30 years into this journey, due to a malfunction, a mechanical engineer, Jim Preston, wakes up and is joined soon enough by Aurora Lane. Now they have 90 years on this spaceship with only robots and each other as company.
Do you know what's going on? Nobody else is awake.
I think something went wrong with the hibernation pods. We woke up too soon. 90 years too soon.
I didn't mind the movie as much as a lot of people are, really. Though naming your asleep and suddenly woken up leading character Aurora, which is also the name of the fairy tale Sleeping Beauty, is cheesy AF. But it is played by Jennifer Lawrence, तो सब चलता है. And I was थोड़ा scared watching the trailer that Chris Pratt might be playing a mellow version of himself as Star-Lord, but it's not like that, so that's good. The leading pair, though, despite being everything I've ever hoped and wished for, are not nearly as goals as their promotional tour has been. Meh. Andy and April forever. Michael Sheen plays a bartender robot who's just like up and about cleaning glasses when Chris Pratt suddenly wakes up.
You two look fine this evening.
We're on a date.
Very nice.
So wait, this guy has been programmed to continue to do this for 120 years as everyone sleeps? Why? I know it might not sound like I did, but I had fun watching Passengers. I enjoyed the futuristic spaceship, even though on the inside it looks and feels like a space shopping mall for the most part. But whatever, I don't mind being left alone in a shopping mall for a couple of years. I also like the popcorn science on display here. Oh, somebody is unwell. Let me just pop them into this nifty little pod, and so many options appear on the screen. Computer, fix this man. And I'd like a chai tea latte when you're done. With a bread naan. Who says that? Oh, we are two highly attractive people with no astronaut experience, but when humanity is doomed because of intergalactic cocoa, we will fix it because look, handy screwdrivers. And did I tell you how attractive we are? For a sci-fi film, there's very little sci and lots of fi, which is fi by me. CGI, let's talk about that for a minute. Almost pura man ghadanta hai, the surroundings, the atmosphere, everything. So a shit ton of work must have gone into making this film look like what it does. Specifically this one scene. J-Law is swimming and then suddenly the ship loses gravity and all the water from the swimming pool has become this giant bubble as everything is airborne. How J-Law gets trapped inside and manages her way out of it, half swimming, half flying, is just super cool. It's a technical miracle, this film. The climactic sequence, the spacewalking, the meteors, the AI, which stands for Artificial Intelligence, not Air India. नहीं, आजकल clarify करना पड़ता है. I just wish there was a little more heart, more love, maybe some more emotion of some sort, which would have made Passengers a wholesome experience. But hey, Jennifer Lawrence has been paid $20 million for this film, और मेरे वीडियो को आएंगे 5,475 views, तो मैं क्या बोलूँ? On a scale of 1 to 10, Passengers is 2187. A passcode used in a very important scene in the film is kind of an homage to Carrie Fisher's Princess Leia. According to IMDb, this was her cell number in Star Wars A New Hope. It's sweet. If you're an Andy Garcia fan and trailer dekar you were all like, yes, Andy Garcia! Yeah, I won't get my hopes up. Hey, but I'm hoping you'll watch more videos by us cinephiles right here and subscribe to Film Companion. Get your film fix. See you next week.